In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut out images to remove the background. So let's just get started right away. To start this off, I actually opened a random picture, and what you need to do first is add a second layer. So click right there and add another layer on top of your picture. So once you do that, your picture will turn into layer 0, and then right there you also have layer 1. But you want to start off by selecting layer 0, and then you want to select the quick selection tool, which is right there, or you can simply press the W on your keyboard to select it. Now next up, you want to make sure that you've got the +1 selected right here, and you can then adjust the size based on the size of your picture. So I'll make this a little bit bigger, and there you go. Next up, you want to start selecting the background, okay? So once again, make sure you've selected layer 0 and then start selecting your background, just like that. Now by using the quick selection tool, you'll notice that Photoshop will actually do this kind of like automatically for you. Sometimes there might be a few mistakes, just like in this one. So what you need to do then is click on the -1, adjust the size, and then if you want to make sure it's perfect, you can zoom in. And you can then customize this, okay? So I'm just gonna click here and select this part as well. And then you can make that even smaller, and then you can also select her fingers. So it kind of depends on your picture, but you just want to make sure to outline this and select all of it. I also want to get rid of this right here, the yellow background. Don't want to get rid of the hair, so I'm gonna make sure that's in there as well. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is almost perfect. I'm not gonna make it entirely perfect for this video because it's just a random example anyway, but you get the point. Make sure that the outline is perfect so that you can then hit backspace, and you'll then remove the background and you can cut out any shape or person or whatever it might be. So you can then save this as a PNG file and you can then start using it. So you can see that I actually deleted her fingers on this arm as well, on this hand, so I can actually go a step backwards, and I would then have to select this as well so that it's actually almost perfect, right? But you get the point. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can cut out an image or shape or literally anything and remove the background. If this video helps you out, leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments as well if it works or if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.